So I just want you busy moms, dads, parents, or even grandparents or busy adults, if you could have just one product in your hand for superb healthy skincare and as well as many other benefits that will bring to your life, your family's life. Stick with me because today I'm going to review this little secret called the Doterra Frankincense Naio Stick, which has just been released in Doterra's Convention 2024. And trust me, this is a real game changer. So let's bring the oils in to calm the mess. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're a mom or a tired parent, let's be real for a little while. Sneaking in even 1 minute of your time, a downtime, would sometimes be really difficult to do it. And what more? Taking care of yourself, especially for women, we still want to keep ourselves in a tip-top condition, especially when it comes to skincare. I'm a mom of 2 kids, and sometimes I really do neglect the care that I can have on myself and even boiling down to skincare. But what if I told you that doTERRA's frankincense essential oil stick combined with Naio wood is the answer to a one-stop shop skincare? Can this really be real? I have my little doubts about it. But as I continue to use it for the last few weeks, the last 2 weeks that I have this in my hands, I experienced the convenience and the recovery of my skin inflammation. Let's dive right into why doTERRA's frankincense stick combined with Naio wood is one of the best amazing skincare product that you should have. So this little stick actually combines frankincense essential oils together with Naio wood. So what is frankincense? And I've been talking about frankincense essential oils for the past few videos, and there's just so many amazing benefits of frankincense essential oil, boiling down to reducing inflammation, improving your immune system, your nervous system, and as well as the top benefit, which is cellular cell renewal. And frankincense truly is the king of oil, but paired with Naio wood, this is the most powerful combination that you can actually get, which is frankincense plus Naio wood. So it not only makes your skin glow after using it for the past 2 weeks, and as well as even applying it on my back part of the rashes, immediately I could feel that it was no longer itchy and the swelling has came down, and this has never happened so quickly before. Let's learn a little bit about frankincense essential oil. So frankincense essential oil is actually an ancient oil that is extracted from the boswellia tree in Oman and Somalia. And that's where doTERRA's main source of frankincense essential oil is from. And it is truly an ancient oil that is mentioned many times, even in the Bible. And frankincense essential oil was given to baby Jesus when he was born. So it really shows how revered and how sacred and how treasured this gift is. And even back into the times where Egyptians would actually use it for perfume or even for medicinal use. And frankincense have actually been used a lot as a scent in temples, for meditation, and for aromatherapy. So what does all this actually mean for us? And what does this mean for us in skincare? So with frankincense, because it has the ability to actually regenerate new cells, meaning your skin would actually regenerate more effectively. So therefore, it can really reduce wrinkles, fine lines, even out your skin tone, even out all your patchy aging spots, and actually help to calm inflammation down on your skin. So all these actually mean that it can actually support your skin health. And we're coming to the most exciting part, which is pairing frankincense with Naio wood. So now let's talk about Naio wood. even myself, this is the first time that I have actually heard of Naio wood. But as I researched, Naio wood is actually called the false sandalwood. And Naio wood actually has a super long history in the Hawaiian culture. Naio wood was actually used for its rich scent and healing property, and its scent is pretty similar to sandalwood. Naio wood is highly exported out to China because their past reliance on sandalwood has actually caused sandalwood to be not as conserved and to be not replenished as much, and hence they actually had to look for alternative such as Naio wood, which was actually in fact the closest in terms of the scent and the properties. So Naio wood was very popularly exported out to China. So I just wanted to share with you what I have heard from the doTERRA leaders. And in fact, Naio wood, which is from Hawaii, the Hawaiian state has actually given doTERRA the conservation right to conserving Naio wood. And conservation is actually very different from preservation. Preservation means that you actually preserve something, or you preserve a metal, a plant or something, and you don't actually utilize it. But all of us know that all these are living things, and eventually they would fall back into the earth, ashes to ashes. So conservation means that you're able to actually extract the nature, the good essential oils nature from the trees, and also at the same time ensuring that there is new ones to replenish or new trees to be replanted back into the forest. So all of us actually get to benefit from Naio wood without damaging the forestry. This conservation approach really does mean that Naio wood, being such a rare and precious gift of nature, is being conserved, and there will be sufficient and enough for generations to come and to be able to actually benefit from Naio wood. So this partnership with the Hawaiian state is really so precious because it means that we are able to benefit from Naio wood together with frankincense in this stick form. Okay, so let's get a little bit nerdy for now and understand what is the chemistry behind Naio wood. So the main component of doTERRA's Naio wood essential oil is a compound called alpha-bisoyloboy. Alpha-bisoyloboy. Yes, and this compound is actually found in German chamomile. So every time, imagine when you're at night, typically you would actually take German chamomile to actually relax your mind and to calm yourself down. Why? Because German chamomile essential oil does contain alpha-bisoyloboy. But what is the difference between German chamomile and Naio wood? And this is the mind-blowing statistic. In German chamomile, alpha-bisoyloboy consists of only about 30%, but in Naio wood itself, alpha-bisoyloboy is a high percentage of 58%. And that is really nearly double the amount. Alpha-bisoyloboy is actually a powerhouse for skincare because of its properties such as antimicrobial, and it's known for its anti-inflammatory and skin soothing properties. Hence, add wood into the stick would actually be really effective in actually calming down irritated skin, reduce redness, and promote skin healing. So it's really great for acne, for moms like me who still suffer from acne because whether is it because of stress or because of hormonal changes, because this is antibacterial, so it works so well for acne breakouts. So when you actually combine alpha-bisoyloboy, which is present in Naio wood, together with frankincense, this is for sure a powerhouse for skincare. It is really like having two superheroes in one stick. So let's move on to understand why this is so beneficial for a mom or for a lazy mom or a mom with no time at all. At 40s, whether you are trying to maintain your skin, reduce the wrinkles on your skin, or even aging spots or sunspots because you are just under the sun too much with your kids out in the sports field, here are the top 5 reasons why you would actually love doTERRA's frankincense stick. Number 1, it's going to restore your skin glow. So it would help to actually restore skin glow because frankincense does help to rejuvenate your cellular skin. And number 2, it actually soothes minor skin irritation. And because of alpha bisoloboy anti-inflammatory and skin soothing property, this is something that you would run to. Third, it actually hides all your imperfections, with all your imperfect skin color, with your imperfect skin aging spot. For example, you can really say goodbye to uneven skin tone. And I have actually experienced the amazing benefit of frankincense Naio stick after just using it for the last 2 weeks. And what is really important because of frankincense essential oil is that it locks in the moisture. Why is it so important to lock in your moisture? Because it will prevent your skin from drying out, preventing your skin from having wrinkles and fine lines. And lastly, it actually promotes a comforting and grounding scent. This woody scent is so perfect after such a long, tiring day. So if you look at the frankincense essential Naio stick, it is a dry form and it's very similar to what you have in doTERRA Deep Blue, which is really good for a muscle aches and joints or even breathe. So this is a really dry form. It doesn't stick at all or anything. So what I would recommend that if you want to apply a one-step approach, you can actually apply it directly onto your skin, just like this. And I don't think that you would be afraid of cross-sharing it because rightfully it has antimicrobial bacteria. But of course, don't go and rub it underneath your legs and have that shared, with someone else. I really don't think, that the person would kind of appreciate that. I still believe that you can actually apply it on your skin without worrying that it will actually accumulate bacteria. So in my new skincare routine, I'm a person that doesn't like to spend a lot of time in front of the mirror. But unfortunately, if you don't spend so much time in the mirror, you don't put on your proper skincare products. What I'll do for my daily skincare routine is basically to make sure, number 1, you wash your face and keep it clean and dry. Put on your standard toner and make sure that it is a toxic-free toner. Skin cancer is on the rise, so do think about what products that you put on your face, especially as a woman. We do have a lot of makeup. We put in a lot of chemicals unknowingly onto our face. So do think twice before using makeup and what are the types of makeup, skincare products, for example, perfumes that you are using, right, to avoid all these unnecessary health effects. So after putting in your toner as a lazy mom, what I would do is basically to put on the Naio wood, right? I would just rub it on here. I'll just put on the Naio wood directly over your forehead, which is all your wrinkles. It's really good. Remember, don't forget your neck area. After putting that, what I would do is to put on moisturizer so it gets locked in, right? Put in something wet. I don't think there's any right or wrong of using this frankincense stick on plus Naio wood after your moisturizer, but I think this is just my preference. You can try it. And Don't forget that this is really so good for your hands, because put it on your hands, because women's age tend to show up on your dry, scaly hands. So remember to actually put on and take care of your hands as well. And you are actually done. So if you do have very sensitive skin, to be honest, this stick would really be perfect for you, because both frankincense and Naio woods are really gentle essential oils, and it can help to calm down your skin, bring down the inflammation and the redness that you're experiencing. And because Naio wood alpha basalaboy work as an anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial agent, this is really perfect for helping to support acne-prone or sensitive skin. So I would really highly recommend frankincense trying to use frankincense essential oil stick with Naio. And if you are a mom or an older adult trying to actually combat anti-aging, frankincense plus Naio wood stick will be actually the perfect combi for you, because it would actually help to actually reduce wrinkles like what I've mentioned. It would help to reduce the dryness in your skin. And let's face it, every one of us will encounter fine lines, wrinkles, because of age, because of lack of sleep, or even because of simple stresses in life. So always be prepared, whether you are age 40, 50, 60, or even when you are young, to actually keep your skin in a good condition. So I just want to kind of talk on the other benefits of using frankincense plus Naio wood stick, which is so important. Do you know that frankincense and Naio woods have properties to actually reduce anxiety? Alpha basalaboy has been known to have properties to actually calm down the nervous system. And really, if you're stressed, a quick swipe of the stick over your wrist point, over your back, your mastoid area. I like to put it in front of the ears as well. You can actually scent it. Yeah, you can actually feel the scent, the grounding, the calmness, because of its chemical compound that is inside the frankincense stick. And if you have kids who are prone to falling down or pains with growing pains, for example, you can use frankincense plus Naio stick, because this really double up as a pain relief blocker. And why? Because alpha basalaboy has pain blocking properties. You can use it on your sore muscles, or maybe when you have menstrual cramps, or when a kid has fell down. This can be used after cleaning up the wound, just around the wound, to actually soothe it and calm down the inflammation, plus help to reduce the pain. And because, don't forget, because Naio wood has antimicrobial properties, it can help the wound to prevent it from becoming even more infected or inflamed. So this is really a good addition to your first aid kit whenever you have cuts, you have bruises, you have falls, and you just need it for a temporary natural relief pain. So just know that this product isn't really just good for skincare, but as well as overall wellness. So in today's world, it's really all about convenience, fast results, and I actually carry this stick all around with me because it does help me when I have breakouts, or when I need to stay calm, I'm feeling a little bit stressed, or even when the kids are falling sick. So this is definitely something that I carry with me in my handbag, and as well as putting it beside the bed before I sleep. So something that I would actually kind of recommend, that before sleep, you can actually apply it at the bottom of your feet together with the Serenity stick. If you apply it directly on the bottom of your feet, maybe you can just use your hands to swipe before applying this directly onto your stick, if you are sharing the stick with many other people in the household. Alright, so if you find value in my video, remember to like and subscribe so that you'll be notified every time I share something new about essential oil, about things that I love in my life, and I'll see you in my next video.